Alright, I got this this is for shoes, but I've been using it for camping gear, easy to get to camping gear. It's got different things in here like flashlights and miscellaneous and games and maps and rope, tent repair, trash bags and other bags, medical kits, toiletries, cell phone stuff, radios, camera supplies, water purification. So it's really easy. It's stuff easy to reach for when you're getting ready to set up for camping, what you need to get. Okay, I need this, I need that. And it's just basically a shoe rack type thing, and it works out really well. And then I got this here with fire starters and cutlery and stoves and fire stuff and more stoves, and it works out pretty good to quickly set up a camping trip. And then I made a real easy, quick little fire kit in an emergency, a little Altoid can. I got some char cloth in here and a couple of homemade fire starters and an extra striker, some windproof matches, couple of corks because they retain, once you get these lit, they'll stay lit for a while, so they're good fire starter material. Down shadow. Matches, Vaseline soaked cotton swabs and some cloth, tiny little bottle of rubbing alcohol, maybe to start a tiny little small stove if I needed to in an emergency, a couple of rubbing alcohol pads which are good for lighting fires. I have this wrapped up, but it's the simple, easy to use fire starter that you make from a Bic lighter. And then another striker, and it all fits nicely in an Altoids tin. So, pretty cool. And I got my old caving helmet out here because I'm getting ready to do some caving again. And my name is Morlock, and if you're familiar with the time machine, you'll know that the Morlocks are living underneath the ground and eating clueless Eloy.